ओके सो वेलकम बैक। अब हमारे पास है सेकंड पोर्शन। अब हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं कि मुस्लिम लीग अपोज द खिलाफत मूवमेंट बिकॉज सो वी हैव बीन गिवन दीज ऑप्शंस। द नंबर वन इज अबाउट द मोर secular and constitutional approach towards a political issue. The second reason that has been given, it's that movement's alignment with the Mahatma Gandhi's non-cooperation movement. The third option that is given, it's about the Khilafat movement created dissension among the Muslims. So all the three options are correct, are the relevant as far as the given question is concerned. So our correct option would be D, all of the above. And then we have another question that is about the Constitution of Pakistan. So, Article Desh of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 says that Islam shall be the state religion. So, we have been given the Article 3, Article 4, Article 2, and Article 1. So, the correct option is Article 1 because it is the Article 1 that says that Islam shall be the state religion. And another MCQ is 43 that Pakistan hosted dash meeting of the Council of Heads of Government of the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization from 15th to the 60th October 2024 in Islamabad. Obviously, it was very hot news. इतनी न्यूज़ में आ रही थी तो हर किसी को ये आता होगा. So it was 23rd, and the correct option is A. On we have another question that is Indian Councils Act 1861 established legislative councils in the presidency of that is Bombay and Madras. So the option D is correct. And British Viceroy, obviously Lord Curzon, was architect of partition of Bengal. And the 46 is the Muslim demand of the Simla deputation, which was accepted into the Minto Morley reforms of 1909. That was separate electorates. That is option D. Okay, so another question is yes, 47. 1942 Muslim League did not take part in. So we have been given option of Khilafat movement, Quit India movement, and Round Table Conference, and Civil Disobedience movement. So obviously the option is Quit India movement. The Quit India movement, it was launched by the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Actually, it was a massive civil disobedience campaign demanding an end to the British rule in India. So, however, the Muslim League, which was led by the Muhammad Ali Jinnah, chose not to support this movement. So, the correct option is Quit India movement. And another question is interim government that was formed in India 1946. The Muslim League was given how many ministries? So the option A, that is five ministries. And another is that okay. So the Congress agreed to reserve. That is option B, one third. And the 50 क्वेश्चन जो डार्की सिस्टम था वो इंट्रोड्यूस कराया गया था. So the correct option is C, camps for reforms में. And the national anthem of Islamic Republic of Pakistan was officially adopted in the year of 1954. That is option C. And the another question, Harappa is located on the bank of. So the correct option is C, Ravi River. और उसके बाद हमारे पास दूसरा क्वेश्चन है कि in which province the Buckher Fort is located. अब वो जो बखर फोर्ट है ना वो कहाँ पे लोकेटेड है? एक्चुअली बखर जो फोर्ट है वो लोकेटेड है इन द सिंध प्रोविंस, और सिंध प्रोविंस में ये लोकेटेड है. ठीक है, विच इज़ इन द साउथ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ सिंध, क्लोज टू द इंडस रिवर. और इसकी बहुत जो है ना हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंस भी है, एंड इट वाज ओरिजिनली बिल्ट बाय द मुगल एम्पेयर शाहजहां. सो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा वो होगा सिंध प्रोविंस, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी। ऑन 56 क्वेश्चन, सो इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है दैट इज बी। एंड जो 57 हमारा क्वेश्चन है कि विच इज द लार्जेस्ट डिवीजन ऑफ पाकिस्तान इन टर्म्स ऑफ एरिया। एंड उसके बाद इसका जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा दैट वुड बी द बी। And we have another question, 58. So the correct option of 58 is C. And the 59 dash signed the boundary agreement with China. That is Ayub Khan. Okay, so the another question is there is 60, okay, fifth Prime Minister of Pakistan. So that is A, option A. Okay, so another question is how many countries are officially recognized? Okay, so the option is correct option is 5B, and FATF stand for Financial Action Task Force. कहाँ पे है? ये है option C. And the question number 63, so the option correct option is C. Okay, so we have another question. So new name. Okay, that is the Republic of the Congo. So kahan ye option? Yes, that option is A. And it's about the currency of Kenya. And that is option D. And the capital of Ukraine. That option is B. And another question is what was the main declaration of the COP26? Okay, climate change. ये तो सब थे, so the option would be all of them. And उसके बाद है कि which countries took initiative to establish Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank? So चाइना भी है, G7 भी है, टर्की भी है, आसियान। ओके, सो भाई G7 कंट्रीज तो हो नहीं सकती, टर्की भी नहीं, और उसके बाद जो है ब्रिक्स होता तो देन हम सोचते। तो अब क्या है कि आसियान भी नहीं, तो हमारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन बचता है, दैट इज चाइना। ऑब्वियसली चाइना इज द प्राइमरी इनिशिएटर, उसके बाद रशिया, सपोर्टेड बाय रशिया, and Brazil and India as well. So obviously हम फेसिस करेंगे अपने करेक्ट ऑप्शन पे, so the correct option is China. Okay, so we have another question. 69 peace plan to stop the Ukraine and Russia war was first proposed by China in collaboration with which country? So the option is Brazil, क्योंकि उन्होंने सिक्स पीस प्लान दिया था as the basis for the political settlement to war in the Ukraine. So the peace plan to stop the Ukraine-Russia war, first proposed by the China, which was developed in collaboration with the Brazil. Actually, it was in February 2023. China put forward a 12 peace plans to resolve the conflict between the Ukraine and the Russia. So it was notable that the Brazil expressed support for these proposals, and उनका जो new president था, Lula da Silva, also emphasized the importance of peace negotiations between the two countries. So our correct option is Brazil. Okay, so the another question is Mediterranean Sea is connected with the Atlantic Ocean through the Strait of Gibraltar. So correct option is A. हम दूसरे जो होंगे MCQs वो next video में cover करेंगे because it's too long. Okay, thank you.